Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M14 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to edit camera modes in your phone Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. First of all, open camera in your phone here. Then go to mode. Okay, this is default mode. By default, it is set in photo mode. If you switch to other mode, click on portrait and click on video, etc. Only three modes are available in the main menu. If you want to add more options, click on more button and you will see other options here: pro, panorama, food, night mode, macro mode. Okay, now I would like to edit I would like to bring night mode into the main menu. Okay, what you do is just long press on the night mode and just drag and bring to the main area, and it will be fixed in the main menu. Okay, click on save finally. Yes, now I have edited camera mode. Go to the camera and see here. You will see a portrait, night, photo and video. Portrait and photo video will be the default mode, and you have now brought night mode into the main menu. Okay, again I go to more button and I here what I do from the main area you can edit. See here, just I long press now panorama and I bring panorama here, and then I click on night and I bring night to the more options. Okay, so again I click on portrait and I move. Okay, so in this way you can click on save. Okay, see here. So in this way you can easily edit camera mode in your phone Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.